Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. This one's actually a re-upload of a previous video that we've done. The customer saw the video and didn't like the rate of fire that was on it, so we've exchanged the Warhead standard motor out for a Warhead high-speed motor, and we're just going to re-demonstrate it on video for the customer. Obviously all the other builders remain the same. We've just increased obviously the motor speed, which obviously still combined with a 7.4 volt battery, and we're just going to demonstrate it working now. There we go. Hopefully that rate of fire is acceptable. Let us know, and yeah, hopefully that builds good. And obviously I think going forward we'll probably stay clear of the standard motors on these Mark 46 from the Warhead, and just obviously use their high speed in this particular one. But yeah, let us know. Thank you.